Want to install Skyglass on your Firestick? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the steps for setting it up using an unofficial method. Keep in mind that this is not an official Sky application for Fire TV, so availability and compatibility can change over time. Let's get started. First, go to the home screen on your Firestick and open Settings. From there, select My Fire TV. Now choose Developer Options. If you see Install Unknown Apps, open it and enable the option for the downloader or installation tool you're using. This allows your Firestick to install applications that aren't available directly through the Amazon App Store. Next, return to the home screen and open the Downloader app. If you don't already have Downloader installed, search for it in the Amazon App Store and install it first. Once Downloader is open, you'll see a field where you can enter a download address. Enter the current address for the unofficial Skyglass installation file. Make sure you're using a trusted source and that the file is compatible with your Firestick before downloading anything. Once the download starts, wait for it to finish. When the APK is ready, Downloader will automatically give you the option to install it. Select Install and wait a few seconds while the application is installed on your Firestick. Once the installation is complete, select Done. You can now choose whether to delete the downloaded APK file to free up storage space. After that, return to your Firestick home screen and open your Apps and Channels section. Look for the Skyglass application you just installed. Open it and complete the required setup or sign-in process. If everything is compatible with your device and the service is available in your region, you should now be able to access the application's available features. And that's it. You've now installed Skyglass on a Firestick using an unofficial installation method. Just remember that unofficial applications can stop working, require a new version, or become incompatible after Firestick or service updates. Also, only use legitimate services and content that you're authorized to access. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Firestick tutorials.